how is it now? How far now, bro? How is it now? How far now, bro? What's up?
Bro, I did.
How far now? Where you come there now?
I did. How in the be?
Where you come there now?
I did. I don't show you. I don't show you. I don't dey go by east. I don't dey go. Thank you for everything you don't do for me. Bye bye.
Well, that is just they come Lagos now. What's gonna happen?
No, I don't dey go by east. No. I need to go my place. I beg.
From this, come Lagos now. What's gonna happen?
Bro, wetin this thing they do for your house? Wetin baby oil they do for your house? Wetin concern baby oil for your fridge? So now is this where you dey? Huh? Don't call my line again.
Man!
You like what you see?
Yo, man.
My guy, get on now. Is somebody come Lagos?
Wetin man go do?
Ah.
I say man come hustle like.
Come Lagos.
I swear.
I swear.
You are really fine.
I swear, they come inside now. My guy, get on can eat. Everywhere sharp, everywhere sharp. Everywhere sharp.
Man come hustle like you. Hey, you know.
Come on can eat.
Oh,
My guy, come up in fire. Oh, you're welcome. You're welcome.
Even large.
Why you start to come?
Since so one idiot driver come waste our time, bro.
You don't tell me say you come.
Hey, bro, anything they beg.
Okay, no, wait, make I enter.
Hey, you see, free there.
Yeah, guy, you get sharp.
Hey, you are fine. Bro, your house fine, oh, your house fine. Hey, your house fine. Hey. Baby oil. Never come. Don't they see baby oil?
My guy, now how is it now? How far now, bro? How is it now? How far now, bro? What's up?
Bro, I did.
How far now? Where you come there now?
I did. How in the be? You are a
Yeah, come there now.
Omo, I did Saido Oshodi. Saido Oshodi. I don't dey go by east. I don't dey go. Thank you for everything wey you don do for me. Bye bye.
Well, that is just dey come Lagos now. What's gonna happen?
No, I don't dey go by east. No. I used to go my place. I beg.
From east, come Lagos now. What's gonna happen?
Bro, wetin this thing dey do for your house? Wetin baby oil dey do for your house? Wetin concern baby oil for your fridge? So na like this wey you dey? Don't call my line again. So you don reach like this, ba? Calm. No be me and you, bro. Like this now, I dey see. Abeg, no call me again in your life. No try am. Na so you start rubbish.
Oh.